Ladies and gentlemen, we ask that you please rise as we honor America and those who protect it with the singing of our national anthem by Carlton Smith.
Can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the